How to delete Unacademy account permanently. So first of all, I'll open my account here. So as you can see that this is my Unacademy account. So if I want to delete this, so I'll open settings. I will don't have such option to delete this account from here. So what I have to do is I will simply go to the Gmail account from which I have registered in Unacademy, and I will compose an email here. So I'll select help@unacademy.com. So subject, I'll select to permanently delete my academy account. So I'll type here, let's say any reason. Let's say I want to I don't need it anymore. So I have to have this. So what you have to do is you have to simply send this to this, and they will automatically delete your account on Unacademy. So this is how to do all of this stuff.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.